This video will teach you on how to place orders. Open your panel saved layout. You can watch my previous video on how to set panel layout. Then, right-click on the chart. Choose Trade. Enter trading pin. You can see HKS portfolio and orders. Then when you want to buy, you can enter here. Order type, price, quantity. Once confirmed, press Buy. Refill means reset. For sell, same steps from buy. You will see max buy here, meaning the max you can buy how many units with margin. System will show a confirmation box. Once confirmed, press Buy. Then you will see it display at Orders tab. Press this to edit. Press this to cancel order. Once done, status will show cancelled. Okay, that's the end of this tutorial. Thank you.